So previous classes discuss up to question number 21, same as 22 also. Exercise 5.1. Question number 22, discuss the continuity of the cosine, cosec, sec, cot. Already previous example I discussed. So now start question number 23. Exercise 5.1, question number 23. Question number 23 is find all points of discontinuity of f. Find all point of discontinuity, and function defined as f of x is equal to sin x by x if x less than 0 and x plus 1 if x greater than 0. Find the points of discontinuity, that is, find those points such that function is not continuous. So for continuity, you check the function continuous at turning point or not. So what is your turning point? 0 is called turning point because 0 से less and 0 से greater function value क्या है? different. So 0 is called turning point. तो इस फंक्शन का पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी क्या हो सकता है? टर्निंग पॉइंट हो सकती है पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी. सो चेक दैट एट x इक्वल टू 0 फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस और नॉट. सो फाइंड LHL एंड RHL. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड LHL. LHL is equal to limit x tend into 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tend into 0 minus the value of x less than 0. When x less 0, then function value is sin x by x. And when limit x tend into 0, then the value of sin x by x, limit x tend into 0, then the value of sin x by x is equal to 1. Or this can written डायरेक्ट पुट लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0, और इसमें आप क्या पुट कर सकते हो? पुट x इज इक्वल टू 0 माइनस h. x इज इक्वल टू 0 माइनस h. 0 माइनस मीन्स पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज लेस देन 0. द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज लेस देन 0. सो पुट x इज इक्वल टू 0 माइनस h वेयर h टेंड इनटू 0. पुट कर दीजिए वैल्यू. सो लिमिट, अब वेरिएबल टर्म x को पुट कर रहे हो 0 माइनस h, तो वेरिएबल टर्म क्या हो गया? h. अब h का लिमिट क्या पुट करेंगे? 0. सो लिमिट h टेंड इनटू 0 साइन 0 माइनस h बाई 0 माइनस h. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई. सो लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0 sin minus h by minus h, and since sin minus x equal to minus sin x, so this equal to limit h tend into 0 minus sin h by minus h. This minus minus cancel, and limit h tends to 0, the value of sin h by h is equal to 1. So left limit is equal to 1. Now find right hand limit RHL. So RHL is equal to limit x tend into 0 plus f of x. This equal to limit x tend into 0 plus, that is the value of x greater than 0. When x greater than 0, then function value is x plus 1. So put here x plus 1. Now put limit value. X is equal to 0, so 0 plus 1, that is 1. So RHL also 1. Now find पॉइंट फंक्शन वैल्यू दैट इज f0, आप 0 पे चेक कर रहे हो कंटिन्यूटी, ये अब जो कंटिन्यूटी हम चेक कर रहे हैं एट x इज इक्वल टू 0. सो नाउ फाइंड पॉइंट फंक्शन वैल्यू दैट इज f0. सिंस f of x is equal to x plus 1 when x greater than or equal to 0, that is when value of x greater than 0 or equal to 0, then f of x is equal to x plus 1. So put f of 0, so 0 plus 1, that is value 1. So limit value is equal to point function value. So therefore limit x tending to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tending to 0 plus f of x is equal to f of 0. So f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. That is, function is continuous at a turning point. So it is continuous at everywhere. So function is continuous at everywhere. Therefore f of x is continuous at everywhere. So no point of discontinuity, no point of discontinuity, no any point of discontinuity. Okay, next question number 24. Question number is 24. 24th is determine if f defined by, what is f? Here f of x given, f of x is x square sin 1 by x, where x not is equal to 0 and 0 when x is equal to 0. Question is determine if f defined by is continuous function. Check that function is continuous or not. So function continuous, here turning point 0 पे डिफरेंट है, नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0 फंक्शन वैल्यू यह गिवन है और 0 पे फंक्शन वैल्यू यह, तो आप LHL RHL इसमें नहीं निकालना है. LHL RHL कब फाइंड करते हो? when less 0 and greater 0 function value are different. But यहाँ x not is equal to 0, x not is equal to 0 means either x greater than 0 or x less than 0. In both cases function value is same, that is there is no different function value at a turning point. So direct find limit value. So limit x tending to 0 f of x, this equal to limit x tending to 0, what is the function value? Function value is x square into sin 1 by x, x square into sin 1 by x. Here limit x tending to 0, this can written limit x tending to 0 x square into limit x tending to 0 sin 1 by x, दोनों का अलग अलग लिमिट होगा. एंड व्हेन x tending to 0 नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0, लिसन यहाँ पे x tending to 0 है, x is equal to 0 and x tending to 0 both are different. x is equal to 0 and x tending to 0 both are different. x tending to 0 means just x 0 पे पहुंचने वाला है, पहुंचा भी नहीं है, जस्ट पहुंचने वाला है, वेरी वेरी क्लोजर पॉइंट x tending to 0. So when x tends to 0, question is, if x tend into 0, then which type of number 1 by x? When x tend into 0, then if x tend into 0, then 1 by x belongs to R, that is real number. If x tend into 0, then 1 by x belongs to R. But if x is equal to 0, then 1 by x not belong in R. But if x is equal to 0, then 1 by x does not belongs to R. So x tend into 0, then 1 by x is a real number. And when 1 by x is a real number, this 1 by x is a real number, and we know that for any real value of x, the value of sin x lie between -1 to 1. For any real value of x, for all real value of x, the value of sin x lie between -1 to 1. So when x tend into 0, then the value of sin 1 by x lie between -1 to 1. So this equal to limit x tend to 0. ये लाइन समझ में आ गया, या ये लाइन को आप छोड़ भी सकते हो, इस लाइन को हम समझने के लिए बता दिए, इसको आप छोड़ भी सकते हो, इसको हम समझने के लिए बता दें, इसको आप छोड़ भी सकते हो। आप इस लाइन के बाद डायरेक्ट ये लिख सकते हो। सो लिमिट x टेन इंटू 0 एक्स स्क्वायर, एंड व्हेन x टेन इंटू 0, देन द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 1 बाई एक्स, द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 1 बाई एक्स इज a real number between -1 to 1, because the value of sin x is lie from -1 to 1. So when x tend into 0, then the value of sin 1 by x, a real number between -1 to 1, real number. Now put x tends to 0 limit, so is equal to 0 square 0 into real number lie between -1 to 1, and 0 into real number is equal to 0. So this is the limit value. Now find point function value, that is f of 0, and f of 0, when x equal to 0, then f of x equal to given 0. So since f of 0 is equal to 0 given, so therefore limit x tend into 0 f of x is equal to f of 0. So f of x is continuous. So function is continuous. Same example number 20, question number 25. Now question number 26. Question number 26. Read the question. Question number 26. Question number 26. 26 is, find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated point. That is, your given function is continuous, and function defined as f of x is equal to k cos x by pi minus 2x when ax not is equal to pi by 2, and second value is 3 if x is equal to pi by 2 and continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Here given function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, then find the value of x. So when function is continuous then limit value is equal to point function value. Since f of x is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, therefore limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x is equal to f of pi by 2. When function is continuous, then limit value is equal to point function value. Put function value. When x tends to pi by 2, then what is the f of x? F of x given k, this x tend into pi by 2, not is equal to pi by 2. So when x not is equal to pi by 2, then function value is this. So k cos x upon pi minus 2x, this equal to, and what is f of pi by 2? When x is equal to pi by 2, then function value is 3. Now find limit. So check that which is the form. When put x is equal to pi by 2, then cos pi by 2 is 0, and when here put pi by 2, then becomes pi, then pi minus pi 0. So form is 0 by 0. So change it. इस फॉर्म को हमें क्या करना है? चेंज करनी है. कैसे चेंज करोगे? x टेंड इंटू क्या है? पाई बाई 2. सो पुट वैल्यू ऑफ x आइदर पाई बाई 2 प्लस h और पाई बाई 2 माइनस h. आप कुछ भी पुट कर सकते हो. सो पुट x इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 2 माइनस h. आप प्लस h भी पुट कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. वेयर h टेंड इंटू 0. So limit h tend into 0 k cos x. x क्या पुट करोगे? पाई बाई 2 माइनस h बाई पाई माइनस 2 इंटू x, दैट इज पाई बाई 2 माइनस h इज इक्वल टू 3. सिंप्लीफाई. लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0 k cos 90 माइनस थीटा, दैट इज साइन थीटा, एंड ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे, देन पाई माइनस पाई एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस 2h इज इक्वल टू 3. दिस माइनस पाई प्लस पाई कैंसिल. सो दिस इक्वल टू लिमिट h टेंड इंटू 0 k इंटू साइन h बाई 2h इज इक्वल टू 3. And when put limit h tends to 0, then sin h by h is equal to 1. So this becomes k by 2 into 1 is equal to 3. This sin h by h is equal to 1. When put h tends to 0, then sin h by h is equal to 1. So k is equal to 6. So this is the value of k. Same 27, 28, 29 सेम टाइप से बने गए. सभी सब कर लेंगे. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b सच दैट फंक्शन डिफाइन इज कंटिन्यूअस. तो आप आगे आप ट्राई करके आएंगे, आप आगे आप डिस्कस करोगे. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, 34. तो आप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ट्राई करना. ओके.